So hello guys, this is day one to my productivity days, and today we are starting with the banking exam. So last year मैंने कैट दिया था, and that was my second attempt, and वो भी मैंने बहुत गंदा कर दिया. So now we are starting with the banking exam, and I wanna tell you all. So basically, I have a small diary or a notepad, you can say, and I have written dates on each and every page. So on which date, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna write in the evening. So this is what I've written. Probably you'll be reading. So this is two editorials. I have to know like reasoning में मैंने किया है in the CAT, but I don't know. Okay, so I don't know कि reasoning क्या क्या और आता है. Basically, I'm good at reasoning, but I don't know still. And I have to make कि reasoning में क्या क्या है. Simplification, I'm gonna start with simplification, and even I'm gonna start with tables. Then this is what like OMED. I already had my lunch, and 10k steps, and this is um I have my spam account on Instagram, so that 5 videos, and as usual, I will be posting my vlog every day. No wonder whatever I do, I'm gonna post. So basically, I have made three notebooks. First is of quants, second is of reasoning, and third is of English. So my today's goal is to first start with the reasoning bifurcation. What is reasoning bifurcation? I'm gonna list down all the topics that are included in the reasoning section, and then I'm planning to know what are the things that are included in English. Example, grammar है, या फिर मतलब मैंने देखा है कि fillers and all those things. So as you all know कि IBS का calendar तो already out है, and on 22nd and 23rd August we will be having our prelims, but I guess SBI PO का जो prelims है वो जल्दी हो जाएगा. So I have to start क्योंकि मुझे सब एकदम scratch से start करना है, and I have to ace this exam this year. And yeah, I have one calendar in which मैंने dates को circle करके कौन सी डेट को कौन सा इवेंट है वो सब मैंने लिख दिया है, सो दैट मुझे माइंडफुल रहे कि हाँ ये मंथ ये है एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. मोर ओवर आई एम प्लानिंग कि मैं एटलीस्ट रोज़ के 6 to 8 hours तो दूँ ही अपनी प्रेप को. अगर उससे ज़्यादा होता है, लाइक आई हैव स्टडीड मोर देन 12 hours in a day, so it's not difficult for me. Okay, so yeah, we'll be continuing that, and let's get to start it. So see you.